Welcome back. So I built this table a while back, and the problem with it is that there's no place to put a hat on the side. So today we're just going to build a hook for that. Really complicated problem. So first we're going to hop into CAD. Right now I'm using Fusion 360. It's really cheap, so that's why I'm using it. I'm really good at CAD. This should only take like a second. I told you I'm like the best. Here it is. I took inspiration from elephants. It really spoke to me in this design. Next, we're going to take it and throw it into Cura. We're going to slice her up and eject to the flash drive. Now, this project is something probably you wouldn't do on a 3D printer. You'd probably go to Home Depot and just buy a hook. But we're going to 3D print it. It's going to be great. Yeah, so it didn't turn out great, but redesigned it, made a couple changes, more 3D printer friendly, and this is the one we got. Lastly, I'll just be drilling some pilot holes and screwing this thing on, and yeah, that's about it. It's a hat rack, holds hats on a rack. Was this video just so that I could test out the editing software I just got? Maybe. But yeah, it's a hat rack. In all seriousness, thanks for watching. I hope to come out with some new, better videos in the coming weeks. But I did want to make this video just to test out the new editing software, see if I could get the whole process down. Decided to upload it because I don't know. But thanks for watching.